We made it to Port Canaveral.
Too bad all over the park at. I guess we park over there.
We're almost there. Boat is right there.
Why is it? Oh wait, it is.
That's the parking deck. Yeah, that's water.
Right under it.
Here's the moment. Oh, dog. This is not the moment. It's a whole bunch more.
Too much, that is. A toilet truck.
Oh, you can smell the water. Daddy, you not gonna come back here so you can be on the video when we walk on the cruise? We can't see you, DJ.
Come on, boy.
DJ, come on. Thank you. You made it, DJ. First cruise. Our stuff isn't here yet.
I don't think it is here yet, Terry.
What was in the... Here's the room.
Only one.
Oh wait, let me
No, pull out the bunk bed. Oh, you gonna sleep up there?
That's where he's sleeping.
Or you and Daddy sleep up there?
I don't think it's good.
Or you always sleep up there?
All right, so we have
Don't do that.
we have a. Here's our closet. Let's see how small this bathroom is. Woo, yep, very small.
Let me see. Yep, it is small.
At least it has a detachable shower head. Toilet. Mirrors. What is that down there? That looks real rusty. Oh, here's the couch right here.
Then proceed to your assigned assembly or muster station. If you are not in your stateroom when you hear the alarm, proceed directly to your assembly.
DJ, why are you sitting on our bed? Get up. So we have a bed that pulls out, and then we have this. Yeah, I think that's a pull-out couch.
If you do not find an
And then
appropriate life jacket for everyone
what's this on the TV?
who will provide them for you. Do not use the elevators when proceeding to your assembly.
Oh, here's a
Bucket? What is that doing here?
where do you see a bucket at?
Right here.
Oh, that's probably if you throw up. If somebody got to throw up, they got a bucket in here for you.
Drinking, smoking, or the
Oh,
use
where are
of
you gonna
circular
put it?
fluids is not permitted during this
Are you gonna put it
process.
in the water?
All right, so here's all our tickets, our itinerary, oh, hand sanitizer. Let me make sure there's nothing on this stuff.
Wait. If it's a pull-out, it's gonna be blocky.
Yeah.
You have your
Please
own
have your
washcloth,
seat
right?
pass card in hand.
Yeah, they bring you washcloths.
Who will be guiding you to your assembly or muster station.
Only two. That's not
Parents,
fair.
in the event of an actual emergency, is to go directly to your assigned assembly.
And here is the balcony. Oh, look at our view right now. Y'all, DJ said he need his own room next time. This room is too, he said this room was way too small for him. Which it really is. What did you say?
Life jacket,
This room is pretty small.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
a whistle, and a water-activated light.
So you want your own room.
To attract attention, the instructions for donning a life
Yeah,
jacket
they bring it in here each day.
on the back of your state.
The one, he does not know anything, but then every time I ask something, he want to act like he know, and he don't know.
What are you talking about?
Yeah,
Yeah.
what is she talking about?
I know both of these two. They just
Hey,
need to,
don't say that about
they
it.
just need to sit back and calm down.
So do you.
That's what they need to do.
That's what she does every single time.
So if you worried about it, we can lay feet first. And we just land on our feet.
And then it fall and crush our legs, and both of us be in a wheelchair.
It ain't gonna crash, it'll hurt a little bit.
Yeah.
You scared to go up there, DJ? Huh?
I hope it doesn't fall.
It won't fall. They've made sure. They've checked this and locked it and everything. If your daddy can fit up there, we both can fit up there.
Me and DJ can get up here.
Only one person can sleep in that bed. What do you mean? Ow.
See, watch your head. You good?
Don't go up there with him. And I'm sure it's not supposed to hold 500 plus pounds.
It's rated to hold 600.
Where do you see that at?
I'm just guessing.
Oh. Goodbye, Cape Canaveral.
Yeah.
See you later. Oh yeah.
Car is gone too.
We're moving.
Here, hold it.
Get him up there. Get him. Can you throw a rock in there?
No.
If you had a rock, but you don't have a rock.
You don't throw nothing in the ocean. It's illegal.
It is day 4 of our trip, and we've done so much. We've been having so much fun. I actually didn't record any of this trip, but today we're going to Coco K. Perfect day at Coco K. And y'all, we are one of the people that will not be having a perfect day. It's been raining all day. It's been thundering, lightning. So they did close the park earlier, as well as all the ship activities, and told us to go to our room. But now it's open. It's drizzling now, but we're still about to go and see what we can do. Hopefully we'll be able to ride the
Water slides.
Yeah, the tallest water slide in North America. So we'll see. Alright, we're headed up. It's a red one, right?
I'm not really going. That was a weird sound.
So I have something in both hands.
Ready?
Ready?
Cross your leg. Cross
Yes.
your arm.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Got a whole wedgie. Oh. I will never do that again. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm waiting for DJ now. I doubt DJ will ever. We'll see. We'll see if DJ can want to do that again. That was so fast at the end. You all right? That was so fast at the end. Are you gonna do that again? Huh? Are you gonna do it again? That was so fast at the end. Wait. Get yourself together. You gonna do that one again?
Yeah.
You wanna do it again?
Actually, no. Yeah, that line is too long.
Oh yeah. That was super fast though. Wait a minute, how do we get back, DJ? To where we were at? How do we get back?
Yeah.
The end, oh my goodness, it was so fast and the water just went all up my nose. So if you are not a water park person, I would not do this one. I would not do it because I would go on slides all the time. But DJ is doing it again, so he's about to go. Whew.
Go for it, buddy. Yeah, the red one is not the one that go to if you're looking for chill.
Well, no, I wasn't looking for chill. I just wanted to get that one out of the way. Yeah, and now I chill.
If that's the only one you do here, that should be the one.
Right, which is why I did it first. Yeah.
You ready? Cross your arms, cross your legs.
Thank you. This is it right here for me. Oh. See ya. So which one was your favorite out of the Daredevil's Tower?
The green and red one is one of my favorite ones.
So the red one, that's the tallest in the world, in North
fastest.
America. Yeah, that was.
Tallest and fastest.
That's
And
your
the green
favorite?
one- yeah. And one in the green one, it has those little circle-shaped lights because you can tell by the spots.
So that was fun with the lights.
Yeah. The red one had lights too. Water got in my eye in the first time.
Yeah, mine too. So what about the oh, you put your goggles on the second time?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so we're headed to the ocean. You want to eat first, or you want to just go? I think we should get food first. We are here. We're going to Chill Island. We're going here to Chill Island. Let me see your food, DJ. Your corn.
I already ate half of it.
Bye. Bye. Oh, it says perfect day on this side. Oh. Did we have a great day at Coco? A perfect day. Well, it wasn't perfect, but it was great. Because it rained. It rained like how many times? Stop walking so fast. I can't keep up with you. It rained like 5 times and they closed the slides like twice. What was that? You almost fell?
Yeah. Can I throw the towel in there?
And where did you? You know you can't throw the towel in the water.